Mobile ham operations involve using amateur radio equipment from a moving vehicle, allowing radio enthusiasts to communicate while on the go. This practice combines the thrill of exploration with the technical aspects and camaraderie of ham radio. Here's a detailed look into how it works and what you need to get started. Mobile ham radio operations work by setting up a transceiver, a device that can both transmit and receive communications, in a vehicle. This setup allows you to access various amateur radio bands, depending on your license class, and communicate with other ham operators while you travel. 1. Transceiver. This is the heart of your mobile station. Modern mobile ham radios are compact and designed to be easily integrated into vehicle setups. They offer a variety of functions, including the ability to switch between bands, adjust power levels, and sometimes even incorporate digital modes of operation. 1. Antenna. Efficient communication requires a proper antenna. Mobile antennas vary in size and frequency capabilities and are usually mounted on the vehicle's exterior. Common mounting locations include the roof, trunk, or bumper. The choice of antenna significantly impacts your ability to send and receive signals. 1. Power supply. Mobile setups typically use the vehicle's electrical system for power. It's crucial to ensure that the radio is properly connected and doesn't interfere with the vehicle's electronics or drain the battery excessively. 1. Operating while in motion. The unique aspect of mobile operations is the ability to communicate from anywhere your vehicle can go. This mobility adds variability to your signal's strength and clarity due to changing terrain and obstacles.